Hey guys, it's Alli and welcome back to another video. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting for quite a while, but I'm back! This video will just be a chill makeup video for a change. So yeah, let's start. Before I put my makeup on, of course, let's start with skincare. And I've already washed my face. I just showered actually. So yeah. So first, let's apply our toner. So I'm just gonna get one of these cotton pads. I just got this from Watson's. And let's apply a bit of this Thayers. Yep. Yeah, okay, it's not focusing. But there you go. Thayers with Hazel. I've heard some good reviews about this, so yeah, I decided to try it out. And so far, it's okay. It's doing great for my skin. So I'm just gonna wipe. Please don't mind this bump here. That's just one big ass pimple. Because I'm on my period, so yeah. So after our toner, we're gonna go to moisturizer. The moisturizer I'm currently using is this Olay Total Effects Whip. So I'm just gonna get some of that and put it on my face. Usually about this much is already enough for me. So I'm just gonna put too much there. My lips usually crack a lot. Like, it's super dry, I swear. I use two products to make it smooth and so that I can apply my lipstick or my lip product better. So I use this Burt's Bees Ultra Conditioning Lip Balm with cocoa butter. There you go, this one. And since that's not enough for my lips, I also use the Lucas Papao ointment on my lips. And legit, this has been doing wonders for my lips. It works for my lips. Like, both of these, they work. Okay, so since our base is done, let's start with our makeup. I use the Belo Sun Expert Protecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen because it's summertime and it's really hot in the Philippines, so we gotta protect our skin. So I just take some of that, about this much, and spread it. Just looking for the Brainiac. Okay, so after that, let's curl our lashes. Actually, right now, after I curl my lashes, I don't really do that much to my brows anymore. I just use this Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer for my eyebrows. I take a spoolie first, and I'm just gonna brush my brows. Lately, I've really been into that kind of messy brow look, so yeah. And usually I comb it against where it's growing, in front. Actually, I think I've just been into that because I haven't gotten my eyebrows plucked yet, so the messy brow is the best way to go. Oops, sometimes there's... you just have to take it out. You just have to comb it up. And there they are, the messy brow look. I mean, I don't really have to do anything before that because my brows are already messy, but you know, it's just to give them that volumized, wispy kind of look. So after that, let's go to our mascara. Now, I have been loving this mascara ever since I first used it. Oh my gosh, it's my holy grail, legit. This is so good for the lashes. It volumizes, it lengthens, it's bomb. And it's waterproof, so. Although sometimes I do encounter a little bit of fallout during, at the end of the day, and then I check my face. I see some mascara fallouts, but other than that, it's actually really good. Look, I'm gonna show you. So this is with, and this is without. See, look at the difference. I do like putting mascara in my lower lashes, but I don't use this because I find that it's too much, and as I said, there are times when it has fallout, so I use this. If you watch my other video, the Miniso haul and makeup review, or was it first impression, something like that, I actually used this mascara, and at first I didn't like it for my upper lashes, but I do like it for my lower lashes. Actually, I like it for my lower lashes because it brings them down. We're almost done, actually. We're really almost done because this is just my everyday routine, makeup routine. And the next thing, of course, we can forget our blush. So I'm using this, the Colourette. What's this? I forgot. But it's from Colourette. It's in the shade Bree. Actually, this was given to me by my friend Leah. Hey Leah, if you're watching this, thanks so much. And yeah, this is actually really good. It stays on all day. I mean, like, my blush stays on all day. And this color is really good for morena skin. Honestly, I just take this much because a little goes a long way with this product, I swear. I'm gonna show you. Girl. Here, for my other cheek. We're just gonna... Oh. So after that, of course, we go to our lips. Now, I actually just found out about this product yesterday because I was scrolling through Watson. No, not Watson. I was scrolling through SM department store, and then I was looking for products, of course. And then I look at this. It's just like in a small corner, and it doesn't even have its own little booth or something like other brands. But when I tried this lipstick, it was actually really, really good. This is the GT Cosmetics Color Wand Natural Matte Liquid Lipstick here. I will show you the packaging. It's just for 190 pesos. There's a flat dough foot applicator, yeah. And we're just gonna put it here. And I'm just gonna thread it. It's kind of like a lip tint, but it's matte. Plus, the good thing about this is that you can actually build it up. So let's try rolling it out, yeah. Honestly, that's it for my everyday look. Usually I just use lip tints, but since I've tried out this product, it's really, really good. I really, really like it. And it really gives that natural matte finish, and it's not heavy on the lips at all. So basically that's it for my makeup look. Sometimes I like to put highlighter on the high points of my cheeks, so okay, let's do this now. But I just do this at times when I feel like it. So there it is. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to my channel. I post vlogs, beauty videos, and self-care videos. So if you like any of those kinds of things, go to my channel, check it out, and please do subscribe and like this video. And of course, as always, don't forget, don't let anyone dim your shine. Bye guys!